To construct a regular hexagon, first of all draw a line AB of length 4 cm, then make 120-degree angle at both the ends at A and B with the help of compass. This is angle 60 degree. This is 120. Similar. Hello students, in previous video I have shared with you second simple paper and now it's time to solve this paper. I hope you all have solved this in one stretch and wants to check your solution. Okay, let's start with compulsory section, section A. Question number 1, part first. Condition is given and we have to find the value of a square upon b square. According to this condition, b square is equal to ac and we have to find the value of a square upon b square. Put the value of b square. A square upon b square is equal to a upon c. It means option D is the right option, but you have to mention your answer in proper way. First part, D option is correct and write the answer. This is the way to write your answer. Now second part, the mean of 7, 11, 8, 4 and 10 is 8. If each number is divided by 4, then the new value of mean. If the mean of certain number is given and then each number will be divided by a constant term, then the new mean will be equal to original mean divided by the same constant. Means the new mean will be 2. In this case, if each number is multiplied by a constant, then the new mean will be equal to original mean multiplied by that constant. You can check this. First of all, mention your answer. Second part, option B is the right option and write your answer. This is the proper manner. Now, if you want to check this answer, mean of these terms is 8. It means this is equal to 8 and now each number is divided by 4 means new numbers are this. Number of terms are 5. So this is equal to and the value of this term is 8. It means the new mean is 2. Third part, the coordinate of a point which divide the line segment this and this in the ratio 2:7 are. Simply this is the question of section formula. First end point is -3, 10 and last is 6, -8 and we have to find a point P which divides this line segment in the ratio 2:7. Apply section formula and find the coordinate of P. According to this section formula, coordinates of P will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Similarly, y coordinate. Coordinates of P are -1, 6. Means option D is the right option. Now write your answer. आंसर को इस तरीके से मेंशन करने की हैबिट भी आपको डेवलप करनी है, अदरवाइज आप एग्जाम में भूल जाएंगे एंड दिस इज मैंडेटरी. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, 20 लेस देन इक्वल टू -4x implies -5 लेस देन इक्वल टू x. इज इट ट्रू और नॉट? इनइक्वालिटी हमें गिवन है एंड on the right hand side we have x. It means whole inequality will be divided by -4 and whenever we divided an inequality by a negative number, the sign will be reversed. Means x is less than equal to -5 and in the question x is greater than equal to -5. It means it is a false statement. Now mention your answer. Come to the next part. In the figure given below, straight line AB and CD intersect at P. AC is parallel to BD. BD is 2.4 centimeter, AC 3.6 centimeter and PB 3.2 centimeter. Then the length of PA. Look at the figure. There are two triangles, triangle PAC and triangle PDB. This angle is equal to this vertically opposite angle, because AC parallel to BD, it means this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles. Similarly, the third one will be equal to third. It means both the triangles are similar triangle. Triangle PAC is similar to triangle PBD. And by the properties of similar triangles, we can write their corresponding sides will be in proportion. Then PA upon PB will be equal to AC upon BD. Put the values. PA is, we have to find PB 3.2, AC 3.6 and BD 2.4. PA is 4.8 centimeter, means B is the right option. Next, the remainder when x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. Apply remainder theorem. If 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 1, means x is equal to minus half. And the remainder will be equal to, if we substitute x is equal to minus half in the function. Eight and 1 by 4 is the remainder if given expression is divided by 2x plus 1. Option A is the right option. Mention your answer. Next, matrix हमें given है and the order of matrix X. Multiplication of two matrix is this and we have to determine the order of this matrix X. Order of first matrix is 2 by 2 and order of this resultant matrix is 2 by 1. It means, and we have to determine the order of X. If multiplication is possible, it means number of columns in first matrix will be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then number of rows in matrix X are 2. Now, the number of columns in resultant matrix is 1. It means number of columns in matrix X will be 1. And the order of matrix X is 2 by 1. Then if we multiply this by this, then multiplication is possible and the resultant matrix will be of order 2 by 1. Option B is the right option. What are the taxes levied on an interstate supply? Interstate means between two states. When transaction is between two states, then only IGST is applicable. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Standard quadratic equation हमें given है. Where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, then discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Gives roots. If b square minus 4ac is positive, it means roots are real and unequal. Because equal to का sign नहीं है यहाँ पे. Option B is the right option. Next, coordinates of a point -2, 1 under reflection in origin is, if we are taking reflection in the origin, then both the coordinates will be changed regarding their sign. It means its image will be 2, -1. Option A is the right option. I want to again remind you, आपको ये हैबिट डेवलप करनी है, आपको एमसीक्यूज के आंसर्स इसी फॉर्मेट में अपनी आंसर शीट पर मेंशन करने हैं. नेक्स्ट, इन द फिगर AB is the diameter of a circle with center O. If angle COB is 55 degree, then the value of angle ACO. Now, this angle is 55 degree and this will be half of 55, because if we consider the arc BC, then angle subtended at the center is 55 and angle subtended at circumference is angle CAB. It will be half of angle subtended at the center. Then it will be equal to 55 by 2, 27.5 degree. Now, if we consider the triangle OAC, then it is an isosceles triangle, because OA is equal to OC, radii of same circle. It means their opposite angle will be equal. This angle will be equal to this. If this is 27.5 degree, then this is also 27.5 degree. A is the right option. Mention your answer in proper way. Then come to the next. The sum of probabilities of all the elementary event of an experiment is definitely 1. The middle term of AP is, which term is the middle term? We don't want to determine value, just number. For this, we have to know number of terms in this AP. In this AP, first term A is equal to 213, common difference D is -8, and the last term is 37. If the number of terms are n, then this is nth term. So apply the formula Tn. Number of terms in this AP are 23. This is an odd number. It means its middle term will be, according to the median, n plus 1 by 2th term. Means 12th term will be its middle term. If x-intercept of a line is 4, this is the value of A, and y-intercept is 2, this is the value of B, then find the equation of line. Intercept form will be applicable. X upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. This will be the equation of line. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Option B is the right option. 15th part, if the radius of a right circular cone is halved and the height is doubled, the percentage of increase or decrease in its volume. Suppose its original radius is r and height is h. Then volume of this cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Then radius is halved. It means new radius is r by 2, height is doubled, new height is 2h. Now the volume will be 1 upon 3 pi r by 2 square into 2h. This is V equal to V1 by 2, means new volume is halved. It means decrease and decreased by 50%, just half. Now compulsory section is completed. Just look at your watch. What should be your time management? I have talked in first sample paper solution video about this. Now come to the section B. It is also a part of compulsory section. Question number 2 and question number 3 are compulsory. There are 6 parts, 3 parts in question number 2 and 3 parts in question number 3, and these may be selected from different units. Let's start first part of question number 2. It is from banking. Mr. X opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. If he received 15,084 rupees at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. Okay. Theoretical questions में आपको केवल आंसर करेक्ट फाइंड आउट नहीं करना है, बल्कि हर स्टेप्स को भी मेंशन करना है, बिकॉज इन मैथमेटिक्स step marking will be followed. In this question, monthly deposit P is equal to rupees 800, time and 1.5 years, but change this into months, 18 months. Maturity value is 15,084 rupees, and we have to find rate R. Now apply the formula for maturity value, that is maturity value is equal to Pn plus Pn, n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Put the given values and find the value of R. 18 into 800 is common in these two terms. And this is equal to 1 plus 19 upon 1 plus 19 R upon 2400. R is equal to 114 upon 19 means 6. Rate of interest is equal to 6% per annum. Second part, find the equation of line which has the y-intercept 4 and is parallel to the line 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Find the coordinates of the point where it cuts the x-axis. Y-intercept is given and a condition is given. Required line is parallel to this. It means slope of required line will be equal to slope of this line. Slope and y-intercept C is given. Then we can find the equation of line by y is equal to mx plus c, and then find the coordinates of the point where it cuts the x-axis. On the x-axis y should be 0. Using this we can find the value of x, then coordinates of the point. Compared with y is equal to mx plus c, m1 is equal to 2 by 3. Slope of this line is 2 by 3. Since required line is parallel to 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, therefore slope of required line will be equal to m1 means 2 by 3. Now slope is known and c is known. Equation of required line will be equal to y is equal to mx plus c. It means m is 2 by 3 and c is 4. Equation of line is 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. We have to find the coordinate of a point where this line cuts the x-axis. At x-axis y is equal to 0, then substitute 0 in place of y. X is equal to minus 6 means At minus 6, 0, required line will cut the x-axis. Third part of this question, it is from mensuration. A right circular cylinder and a right circular cone have equal bases and equal height. If their curved surfaces are in the ratio 8:5, show that the radius of their base to their height is 3/4. A right circular cylinder and a cone have equal bases, means radius is equal. Its radius is r, then its radius is also r, and height is equal. And their curved surfaces are in the ratio 8:5. Curved surface of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH and curved surface of cone is equal to pi RL. And L is equal to under root h square plus r square. According to the question, curved surface are in the ratio 8:5. S1 ratio S2 is equal to 8:5. Means 2 pi RH divided by pi r under root h square plus r square is equal to 8/5. Now squaring both sides. Cross multiply. 25h square is equal to 16h square plus 16r square. Means 9h square is equal to 16r square. We have to determine its radius of their base is to their height, r upon h. R upon h is equal to 3/4. It means r is to h is equal to 3/4. Question number 3, it is also from compulsory section, part 1. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle and AB is tangent at B. AB is 15 centimeter, AC is 7.5 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the circle. Look at the figure. CD is the chord of the circle and AB is tangent, and this chord and tangent intercept each other at point A. Then square of tangent will be equal to product of segment of chords. Since AB is tangent and CD is chord, therefore AB square will be equal to product of segment of chord, and सेगमेंट्स हम कंसीडर करेंगे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से. फर्स्ट सेगमेंट ए सी फ्रॉम पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन टू वन एंड ऑफ द कॉर्ड. सेकेंड सेगमेंट विल बी फ्रॉम पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन टू सेकेंड एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द कॉर्ड ए डी. हमेशा सेगमेंट ऑफ द कॉर्ड मेजर होंगे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. ए बी इज 15, ए सी इज 7.5 एंड AD को हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं AC प्लस CD. लेट रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज R, देन CD इज द डायमीटर, इट इज इक्वल टू 2R. AC इज 7.5, R is equal to 30 minus 7.5. Radius of this circle is equal to 11.25 centimeter. Second part, the median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 24. Find the value of x. Hence find the mean. Number of terms are 9. It means median will be equal to, it is odd, n plus 1 upon 2th term fifth term, and fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x plus 4. And according to question, median is 24. It means x plus 4 is equal to 24. Then x is equal to 20. First answer. And hence find the mean. First of all, if x is equal to 20, then the given terms will be 11, 12, 14. Put the value of x. This will become 18. Now mean will be summation x divided by n. Mean is 25. Third part, last part of compulsory section. In the figure given below, from the top of a building AB 60 meter high, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp post CD are observed to be 30 and 60 degree respectively. Find the horizontal distance between AB and CD. We have to find BC and the height of the lamp post CD. The distance BC is x and CD is h. Now, if this angle is 30 degree, then if we draw a line, horizontal line, DE, then this angle will be equal to 30. And if this angle is 60, then angle ACB will be equal to 60 degree. Now, there are two right angle triangles in this figure. First triangle AED and second triangle ABC. If AB is 60 and CD is H, then AE will be 60 minus H. And if BC is X, then DE is also X. Now, first of all, we are considering the right angle triangle ABC. Tan theta will be equal to perpendicular upon base, means AB upon BC. AB is 60 and BC is X. And tan 60 is under root 3. X is equal to 20 under root 3. It means distance between the building and lamp post is 20 under root 3 meter. Now consider the second right angle triangle AED. AE is equal to 60 minus H and BC is equal to DE is equal to 20 under root 3. Again applying tan ratio, tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base AE upon DE, tan 30 1 upon under root 3, AE 60 minus H and DE is 20 under root 3. Cross multiply, 60 minus H is equal to 20, then H is equal to 40 meter. Means height of the lamp post is 40 meter. Now compulsory section is completed. Question number 4, part 1. Mr. X goes to a shop to buy a coat costing rupees 944 The rate of CGST is 9%. He tells the shopkeeper to allow a discount on the price of the coat to such an extent that he pays rupees 944 inclusive of GST. Find the discount on the price of the cost. If the cost of the coat is rupees 944, then customer has to pay rupees 944 plus GST. But he wants that he pays 944 as the cost of coat plus GST. Then we have to calculate discount offered by shopkeeper. Let the cost of coat after discount is rupees X. Then total cost that the customer has to pay is X plus GST, and the rate of GST is 9%. CGST is 9%. It means SGST is also 9%, and total GST is 18%. Then customer has to pay X plus 18% of X, means 59 upon 50 X. But he wants to pay rupees 944. It means 59 X upon 50 must be equal to 944 according to the customer's condition. Now calculate X. It means if the CP of the coat is rupees 800, then the customer have to pay rupees 944 as CP plus GST, total cost. Then discount is equal to original price of the coat is 944 and the customer's choice is 800, means he wants the discount of rupees 144 rupees. That is our answer. Second part of this question. If you attempt question number 4, then you have to attempt all the 3 parts of this question. A game of numbers has cards marked with 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on up to 40. A card is drawn at random. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is a perfect square. If the numbers on the cards are 11, 12, 13 and up to 40, then total number of cases that are possible you can say total number of cards are 30. Because 11 and 40 both cards are included, the number of cards will be 40 minus 11 plus 1, that is 30. Now, first part, probability of getting a perfect square. Cards are numbered from 11 to 40, then perfect square between these numbers are perfect squares are between these numbers. First number is 16, which is perfect square. Second is 25 and next is 36. Means number of favorable cases for a perfect square between these numbers are 3. So the probability of this case, that is number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases, means 3 by 30, that is 1 by 10. Now second part, divisible by 7. Then select numbers bar including this series divisible by 7. That will be number of favorable cases. First number divisible by 7 among these numbers is 14. Next 21. Next 28 and next 35, means favorable cases are 4. Then probability of this case, number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases means 2 by 15. Third part, In the given figure, angle ACE is 43 degree. This angle is 43 degree. And angle CAF is 62. This is 62. Find the values of A, B and C. Okay. This is angle A, which we have to find. This is C and this is B. First of all, look at the figure. ABDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. And this angle C is the external angle of cyclic quadrilateral, and external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its opposite interior angle. It means C is equal to 62 degree. फर्स्ट एंगल तो हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया. चलिए इसको मेंशन करते हैं. Since ABDE is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore C is equal to angle CAF, means 62 degree, because C is exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Now look at the triangle ACE. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means 43 plus 62 plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. With the help of this, we can find the angle AEC. And then A plus angle AEC will be 180 degree, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So we can find A in this way. Now, in triangle AEC, 62 plus 43 plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degree. This is 75 degree. Now A plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degree. And angle AEC is 75 degree. It means angle A is equal to 105 degree. Now the unknown angle is B. Again look at the figure. This is the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral and this will be equal to its interior opposite angle. It means it is equal to A. If A is 105 degree, then this is also 105. And angle C 62 degree. Then angle sum of EDB is equal to 180 degree. With the help of this, we can find B. This is equal to 180 minus 105 plus 62. Angle DEF is equal to A is equal to 105, being exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Now in triangle DEF, 105 plus 62 plus B is equal to 180 degree. Then B is equal to 180 minus 105 plus 62. Angle B is 13 degree. Now we are doing question number 5, part 1. Matrix हमें given है A and B. If AX is equal to B, write the order of matrix X. Find the matrix X. AX is equal to B and order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and order of matrix B is 2 by 1. Then order of matrix X, because AX is possible, multiplication is possible, it means number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. and the resultant matrix is of order 2 by 1. It means number of columns in X 1. Then now we have to find the value of matrix X. Matrix X is a matrix of order 2 by 1. Let matrix X is equal to AB. Its elements are A and B. Now apply the condition AX is equal to B. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 0 1. Now multiply on the left hand side. First row, first column, that is 2A plus B. Second row and column, A plus 2B. It means 2A plus B is equal to 4 and A plus 2B is equal to 5. Now solve these two equations for A and B. We are multiplying equation 1 by 2, that is 4A plus 2B is equal to 8, and then subtract this equation from 2. Value of A is 1. Now substitute this value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. A plus B is equal to 4 means B is equal to 2. So the matrix X is 1, 2. Second part, given equation of line L1, this is line L1, y is equal to 4 parallel to x-axis. Write the slope of line L2 if L2 is the bisector of angle O is right angle and L2 bisect it. It means this angle is equal to 45 degree. Inclination of L2 is 45 degree. It means its slope will be equal to tan 45 means 1. Write the coordinates of P. P is the intersecting point of L1 and L2. Find the equation of L2. First of all, we are finding the equation of L2. Now, regarding L2, slope is known, value of M, and one point on the L2 is known, that is 0, 0, because L2 is passing through origin. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Means equation of L2 is y is equal to x. Now, we have to find the coordinates of P. P lies on y is equal to 4 parallel to x-axis. It means its y coordinate will be 4. We have to find its x coordinate. Let its x coordinate be x1. Y is equal to x. It means y 4. Coordinates of P will satisfy the equation of L2. 4 is equal to x1. x1 is equal to 4. Then coordinates of P are 4, 4. Third part of this question. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meters finds that two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depression as observed from the aeroplane are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between two ships. Height and distance का question है. First of all, इसको आप draw करिए. Suppose aeroplane is at point D at an altitude 1500 meter and A and B are two ships. First angle of depression 45 degree, second angle of depression 30 degree. Now if this angle is 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree and this is equal to 45 degree. We have to find distance between two ships A, B. Let it be x. Now first of all, describe your figure in shorts. In figure, D is an aeroplane, A and B are two ships and let AB is equal to x meter. Now, there are two right angle triangles in the figure. First, ACD and second BCD. So, first of all, we are considering right angle triangle BCD. Tan 45 is equal to perpendicular upon base, means CD upon BC. And tan 45 is 1, CD 1500, so BC is equal to 1500 meter. Now consider the second right angle triangle. That is ACD. In this triangle, tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base, CD upon AC. Now tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3, CD is 1500 and AC BC plus AB. It means BC plus AB is equal to 1500 under root 3. And BC is equal to 1500 meter. Under root 3 is equal to 1.732. (1098 meter). It means distance between ships is 1098 meter. Question number 6, part first, trigonometrical identities का question है, proof करना है हमें. We are considering left hand side, that is sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. In this term, we are taking LCM sin theta and in this term cos theta. If we take minus 1 common from this term, then it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Now this is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Now we are applying the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. By this formula, this will become sin theta plus cos theta and in second bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Now it is equal to sin theta plus cos theta and that is right hand side. Second part, रेशियो proportion से क्वेश्चन लिया गया है. Using the properties of proportion, solve x given x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon 2x square is equal to 17 upon 8. First of all, applying dividendo componendo, that is numerator plus denominator and numerator minus denominator, same on right hand side. Now this term is the whole square of x square plus 1 and this is the whole square of x square minus 1. Now taking a square root on both sides is equal to plus minus 5 by 3. Now two cases are possible, taking positive sign and taking negative sign. If we are taking positive sign, then x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. And if we are taking negative sign, then left hand side is equal to minus 5 by 3. Again applying componendo dividendo. Numerator plus denominator and numerator minus denominator. Same on right hand side. X square is equal to 4. It means x is equal to plus minus 2. Now consider the second case and apply dividendo componendo. X square is equal to 1 by 4. It means x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. These are the values of x. Third part of this question, figure हमें given है. In the given figure, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQ and SR are produced to meet at A. Prove that triangle TPS similar to triangle TRQ. First triangle is TPS. This is similar to TRQ. Now look at the figure. In both the triangles, angle T is common and this angle is the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. This is equal to its interior opposite angle, means equal to this. And this angle is also exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. This is equal to its interior opposite, equal to this. And this is a common angle. Three angles are equal. It means both the triangles are similar triangles. First part तो हमने solve कर दिया है. पहले इसको show करते हैं. In triangle TPS and triangle TRQ, angle STP is equal to angle RTQ. Angle PST is equal to angle RQT because exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Therefore, triangle TPS similar to triangle TRQ. Now come to the part B. Given TP is 18 centimeter. TP is 18. RQ is 4. TR is 6. And we have to find SP. Means if we consider both the triangles, in one triangle two sides are given and in other triangle one side is given and second we have to find. So we use properties of similar triangle. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. So if triangle TPS is similar to triangle TRQ, then their sides SP, आप यहां से देख सकते हैं SP मीन्स आप सेकेंड वाले दो लेटर्स को ले रहे हैं, तो यहां से भी इन दो को लिया जाएगा. इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय QR. इट्स कॉरोस्पॉन्डिंग साइड विल बी QR इज इक्वल टू, इस वाले ट्राइंगल में हमें PT गिवन है, मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग फर्स्ट टू लेटर, then its corresponding side will be TR, RT, TR. Now put the given values. SP, we want to know QR, that is 4, PT 18 and RT is 6. SP is equal to 12 centimeter. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स लिखने का फर्स्ट वाला मेथड तो मैंने आपके साथ यहां पर शेयर किया है. सेकेंड मेथड है SP इज द साइड, एक ऐसी साइड है जिसके वन एंड पर सिंगल मार्क है और सेकेंड एंड पर 2 मार्क्स हैं, तो इसकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड वही होगी जिस दूसरे वाले ट्रायंगल में जिसके वन एंड पर 1 मार्क और दूसरे एंड पर डबल मार्क होगा, मींस RQ. इफ वी आर टेकिंग PT एक ऐसी साइड है जिसके 1 एंड 3, तो आप सेकेंड वाले ट्रायंगल में से भी 1 और 3 वाली साइड लीजिए, RT इट्स कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. सेकेंड मैथड ये है. Question number 7th. With the help of a graph paper, taking 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit along both the x-axis and y-axis, plot the point A, B, C, D and E. Okay, first of all we are plotting these points. This is point A having coordinates 0, 3. स्केल 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 यूनिट. इट मीन्स नॉर्मल स्केल जो ग्राफ पर डिनोटेड है वही हमें लेना है. पॉइंट B 2, 3, 2 on x axis and 3 on y axis. This is point B having coordinates 2, 3. Now point C 3, 0, 3, 0. It lie on x axis. Point C 3, 0. Point D 2, -3, 2, -3. This is point D having coordinates 2, -3. Next E 0, 3, 0, -3. It is point E. First part हमने complete किया है. Now second part, reflect point B, C and D on y axis and name them as B dash, C dash and D dash respectively. We have to reflect on the y axis. Then y coordinate will remain same, x will be changed and you can see on the figure B will reflect on to B dash and its coordinate will be -2, 3. C will reflect on C dash, -3, 0. And D on D dash, -2, -3. Write the coordinates of B dash, C dash and D dash. Coordinates of B dash is equal to -2, 3, coordinate of C dash -3, 0 and that of D dash -2, -3. Name the figure B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, B. Now meet the points. B to C, then C to D, D to D dash. D dash to C dash, and C dash to B dash, and B dash to B. Now count its sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a polygon having 6 sides. It means it is a hexagon. B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, B is a hexagon. Second part of this question, the weight of 50 workers is given below. Weight in kg, number of workers. Draw an ogive of the given distribution using graph sheet. 2 cm is equal to 10 kg on one axis and 2 cm is equal to 5 workers along the other axis. Use a graph to estimate the following. First of all, we are drawing ogive. Scale is given 2 cm is equal to 10 kg. Means on x-axis 2 cm is equal to 10 kg and on y-axis 2 cm is equal to 5 workers. On x-axis, we are showing weight in kg and on y-axis, number of workers. Now, on x-axis, 2 cm is equal to 10 kg. Suppose this is first point, that is 50, after 2 cm 60, then 70 and so on. On y-axis, 2 cm is equal to 5 workers. This is 5 after 2 cm, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Now first is 50, 0. This is our first point. Second 60, 4. 60, 4. On y-axis 2 cm is equal to 5 workers. It means 2 cm means 20 small parts. 5 workers is equal to 20 small parts. So 1 worker is equal to 4 small parts. And we have to show 4. It means 4 into 4, 16 small parts will be equal to 4. You have to count 16. This is 10, this is 5 and then 16. आप अपनी ग्राफ पर दिखाएंगे तो और भी क्लियरिटी से शो कर पाएंगे. This is our first point. (60, 4). Next point 70, 11. 70, 11. 10 and 4 small part is equal to 1. It means after 4 parts you will get 11. Next is 80, 22. Now 20 and for 2 we have to take 8 small parts. Next 90, 36. This is 35 and 36 means 1. Then you have to take 4 small part. Next 142. this is 40 and 2 means 8 small parts. Then 110, 47. This is 45 and 47, 2. You have to take 8. And the last point is 120, 50. Now meet these points with free hand. Look at the question. First of all, we have to calculate upper and lower quartiles. Lower quartile Q1 is equal to n by 4th term, and here n is 50. 12.5th term. Now take 12.5th term on the graph. 12.5 lies between 10 and 15, just middle of the 10 and 15, 12.5. This is 10. After 8 small parts you will get 12, and for 0.5 you have to take 2 small parts more. Now take its corresponding data. I think it is third part of after 70. Now on x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 10 kg. It means 2 centimeter means 20 small parts is equal to 10 kg. Then 3 small parts will be equal to 10 upon 20 into 3 means 1.5 kg. Then 70 plus 1.5, 71.5. Now for upper quartile, that is 3 into n by 4th term. (37.45 turn). Now take it on the graph. 37.5th. This is between 35 and 40. Now take its corresponding data on x-axis. Approximately 5 parts after 90. Then 5 small parts on x-axis is equal to 2.5 kg. It means 90 plus 2.5, 92.5. Then we have to calculate if weighing 95 kg and above is considered overweight, find the number of workers who are overweight. We have to take 95 and more than 95. This is the point 95. (39) workers have weight less than 95, and we have to calculate number of workers having weight more than 95. Less than 95 are 39. Therefore, number of workers who are overweight means whose weights are greater than 95. (50 minus 39), 11 workers. Question number 8. If x minus 2 is a factor of the expression 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14, and when the expression is divided by x minus 3, it leaves a remainder 52. Find the values of a and b. There are 2 unknowns and 2 conditions are given. First, x minus 2 is the factor of fx. Second, when fx is divided by x minus 3, remainder is equal to 52. Means we can make two equations in A and B. Then we can solve these equations for A and B. If x minus 2 is a factor of fx, then f2 is equal to 0 by factor theorem. Since x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. So f2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to f2 की वैल्यू हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे by replacing x by 2. Now dividing by 2, 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. This is equation 1. Now make second equation with second condition. When fx is divided by x minus 3, remainder is 52. At this place you can mention this using factor theorem. F3 will be equal to 52. Now find F3 by substituting x by 3 in fx. Dividing by 3, 3a plus b is equal to 4. This is second equation. Now solve these two equations for a and b. A plus b is equal to minus 1. Then b is equal to minus 11. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 11. Second part, if the mean of the following distribution is 24, find the value of a. Class interval हमें given है, frequency given है, and we have to find mean and put the value of mean is equal to 24. You will get the value of a. Midpoint of class interval, that is 5, 15, 25 and so on. Now find fx. This is frequency. Find summation f and summation fx. 30 plus a. Summation fx is equal to 810 plus 15a. Now mean is equal to summation fx divided by summation f, means 810 plus 15a divided by 30 plus a, and according to the question mean is equal to 24. It means this expression is equal to 24. Now find the value of a. A is equal to 10. Third part, the surface area of a solid metallic sphere is 2464 square centimeter. It is melted and recast into solid right circular cones of radius 3.5 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the sphere, the number of cones recast. Surface area is given 2464 centimeter square and surface area of the sphere. If the radius of a sphere is r, then it is equal to 4 pi r square. R is equal to 14 centimeter. It means radius of the sphere is equal to 14 centimeter. First part का आंसर हमने find out कर लिया है. Secondly, it is melted and recast into solid right circular cones of radius 3.5 and height 7 cm. Then, if the number of cones are n, then volume of n cones will be equal to volume of a sphere. Radius of the cone is 3.5 and height is 7, and radius of the sphere is 14 centimeter. N is equal to 128. Now question number 9, part 1. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on number line. This inequation is the combination of two inequalities. First is this inequalities and second is this inequality. And the solution of this inequation will be given by combining the solution of these two inequalities. Means which will satisfy at a time both inequalities. 2x minus 5 less than equal to 5x plus 4 and 5x plus 4 less than 11. Now solve these two inequalities separately, then we will combine their solution. Means we will take common solution of these two inequalities. Solution of first inequality, x is greater than equal to minus 3. Second is x is less than 7 by 5, means x is less than 1 by 4. Our solution is x is greater than equal to minus 3 and less than 1.4, where x belongs to I integers. It means if we write solution set, then integers between these two numbers are, first is minus 3 because here is an equal sign, then minus 2, then minus 1, 0 and 1. Now represent this solution on number line. First minus 3 with closed circle, then minus 2, then minus 1, 0 and 1. This is the representation of solution set on number line, because x belongs to I, so we will not form a continuous graph. Second part of this question, construct a regular hexagon of side 4 cm. Construct a circle circumscribing the hexagon. First of all, we have to construct a regular hexagon. Each interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degree. You can calculate by this formula. Is equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 degree, where n is the number of sides and here is hexagon, means n is equal to 6. That is 120 degree. Now first of all, we are constructing regular hexagon of side 4. For this, first of all, draw a 4 centimeter line with the help of a scale. Now make 120 degree angle at both the ends of this line. Suppose this is AB, then make 120 degree angle at B and make 120 degree angle at A. To construct a regular hexagon, first of all draw a line AB of length 4 cm, then make 120 degree angle at both the ends at A and B with the help of compass. This is angle 60 degree. This is 120. Similarly, at A, make 120 degree angle and cut the side 4 centimeter. First of all, construct regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E and F. It is a regular hexagon of side 4 centimeter and each interior angle is 120 degree. Now we have to draw its circumcircle. For this, there are two ways. First of all, you can draw bisector of any two sides. And second, you can draw two diagonals of it. First of all, we are drawing its diagonal. Any two diagonal. This is the point of intersection of its diagonal O and this is circumcenter. Now, draw a circle of radius OAOF, any side. This is the circumcircle of regular hexagon and then write its steps. Second method, after constructing the regular hexagon, draw right bisectors of any two sides. किन्हीं भी two sides के right bisectors आप draw कर लीजिए. सपोज ए बी का राइट बाइसेक्टर हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो टेक डिस्टेंस मोर देन इट्स हाफ एंड एक आर्क आप ऊपर लगाएंगे और एक नीचे लगाएंगे एंड ड्रॉ इट्स बाइसेक्टर. सिमिलरली ड्रॉ द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ ए एफ एंड टेक द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू बाइसेक्टर्स. दिस विल बी द circumcenter. Then take the distance OA or OB and draw the circumcircle. Write its steps. Third part of this question, calculate the mean of the following distribution using step deviation method. Marks, number of students. First of all, we are making its table. Marks, number of students means frequency, mid value, x, then deviation x minus a, then t, x minus a upon I, then ft. Mid value 0 to 10, 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5, 10 plus 20 by 2, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now, assume mean. Suppose 35 is the mean of this data. It is our assumed mean A. Now, calculate deviation D, x minus A. That is 5 minus 35 minus 30. 15 minus 35 minus 20 minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. T, x minus a upon I, minus 30 upon I is the size of class interval, that is 10 here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now ft, minus 30, minus 18, minus 25, 0, 16 and 20. Now we have to calculate summation f and summation ft. Summation f is 100 and summation ft, that is minus 37. Now apply the formula for mean. Mean is equal to a plus summation ft upon summation f into I. Put the values. A assumed mean, that is 35. Summation ft is minus 37, summation f is 100 and I is 10. 31.5 is the accurate mean. Question number 10, last question of this sample paper. First part, the fourth term of an AP is 22 and 15th term is 66. Find the first term and common difference. Fourth term is 22 and 15th is 66. Let first term is A and common difference is D. Then T4 is equal to 24. It means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 22. And T15 is 66. It means A plus 15 minus 1 into D is equal to 66. We are using formula of nth term of AP, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. You will get first equation in A and D from here and second equation from here. Then solve these two equations for A and D. Now we are subtracting these two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Value of D is 4. Now substitute this value either in equation 1 or in 2. You will get the value of A. From equation 1, A plus 3D, D is equal to 4 is equal to 22. Then A is equal to 10. First term is equal to 10 and common difference is equal to 4. The following data have been arranged in ascending order. The median of the data is 35. Find X. In the above data, if 45 changed to 33, find the new median. Number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Here the fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 34, and sixth term is x, and according to the question this is equal to 35. X is equal to 36. Now come to the second part of this question. In the above data, if 45 changed to 33, if this 45 is changed to 33, then find the new median. If this is 33, then the order of the numbers, sequence of the numbers will be changed. Here 33 will placed, then 34 and then 34 and then x 36, 37, 40, 42. Number of terms are now same 10. It means median will be half of fifth term plus sixth term. But now fifth term is 33 and sixth term is 34. New median is 33.5. Third part, last question, last part of this sample paper. A bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Due to heavy rain, its speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour, and as such it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance. Assuming the uniform speed to be x km per hour, form an equation and solve it to evaluate x. Quadratic equation का क्वेश्चन है. 2 केसेस हमें कंसीडर करने हैं. In first case, distance is equal to 240 km. In second case, distance is same. This is the case of heavy rain. And this is its original speed. In first case, when bus covers a distance of 240 km at uniform speed, speed is equal to, क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है, x किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये हमने लेट कर लिया है. And due to heavy rain, its speed get reduced by 10 km per hour. It means in heavy rain, its speed is x minus 10. Now time. Suppose t1 hour. Then in case of heavy rain, time is 2 hours longer. It means in this case time is t1 plus 2 hours. Now find the value of t1 from here and put in second. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is t1, distance is 240 and speed is x. Now, in this case, time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is t1 plus 2 and distance is 240 and speed is x minus 10. Now we are substituting t1 is equal to 240 upon x in equation 2 and solve it. Cross multiply. Dividing by 2, x square minus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. Now we have to find two numbers whose product is 1200 and difference is 10. Required numbers are 40 and 30. It means solution of this equation, I am solving this quadratic equation by a short trick which we have already shared in previous video. Link is given in description box. You can see. If x minus 40 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 40 and if x plus 30 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 30, which is not possible because speed cannot be expressed with negative sign. So the original speed of the bus is 40 km per hour. Uniform speed of bus is 40 km per hour. आज की वीडियो में सैंपल पेपर 2 का डिटेल्ड सॉल्यूशन मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सैंपल पेपर के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर.